If you want to download the Brunner CLS2Sim software, visit brunnerinnovation.swiss and go to Downloads. You need to be logged in to download the software. If you do not have a profile yet, please click on Register Now and create your Brunner profile. If you already have an account, simply log in. Once you're logged in, go back to Downloads. You see the Download button is activated now. To run the CLS2Sim software, just double-click the application and follow the instructions. Choose your desired simulator softwares and click on Install. For X-Plane, make sure you install it in the correct folder where your xplane.exe is located. In case you get an error message, make sure you have a stable internet connection. Once the setup is done, make sure your devices are plugged in before starting CLS2Sim. This is very important. Once you start the software, you see all important warnings. Please read them carefully and confirm you read and understood all warnings. You can now see how to connect the devices. Click on Auto Detection. Remember, the devices have to be connected before you start CLS2Sim. Click on Connect and wait until the devices are found and connected. Then click on Finish. You have now successfully installed CLS2Sim. If for any reason auto detection does not work, close this window and you will get to the manual detection. Here you can either select your specific device from the list, or you can simply click on I have other access. This will take you to the menu window.